Scrambles is here. Today we are back at Wolf Gap on Great North Mountain along the state line here between Virginia and West Virginia. We're going to be hiking up to the summit of Tibbet Knob, and we should get some excellent views of the surrounding area. It's only 1.6 miles from Wolf Gap up to the summit of Tibbet Knob, so it's a relatively short hike. We are first going to climb up and over a smaller knob before descending to a low gap and then making our steep ascent up to the summit of Tibbet Knob. Alright guys, so we got our first good look at Tibbet Knob straight ahead there, and you can probably tell that she's steep. So it's going to be a pretty strenuous climb in the last leg of the trail to reach the summit. Alright guys, so we came from way down there somewhere, and I don't know if you can tell in the video, but pretty steep climb. Alright, still not there yet, but we're getting closer. Alright guys, you can see we have reached the most challenging part of the climb, but we're almost at the summit. We're going to have to make a moderate scramble up this big pile of rocks. So we're going to scramble up through here. This is the route to the top. Not especially difficult, but it did require all fours to do a little hands and knees scrambling. Alright guys, welcome to Tibbet Knob and this amazing view. Wolf Gap is right down there about where my finger is pointing, and of course the trail took us over that small knob there, and then down below we made the steep climb up here to the summit of Tibbet Knob. And if you guys recall, back in December when I hiked to Big Schloss, the trail also started there at Wolf Gap and climbed up to the ridge there and made its way on over to Big Schloss. Excellent view here of the spine of Great North Mountain, Mill Mountain, Little Sluice Mountain off to the right there. Directly ahead, Half Moon Mountain, and this long ridge here is Long Mountain. Here on Tibbet Knob, we are in Hardy County, West Virginia, and the vast majority of our view is West Virginia. Great North Mountain separates the two states. So along the ridge line there and east would be Virginia, and everything to the west of the ridge line of Great North Mountain is West Virginia.